Hello, today we will guide you through how to use View All Attachments in a Microsoft Outlook email chain. Start in your Outlook mailbox. If you aren't already in the mail experience, use the mail icon in the top left corner to switch to your inbox view. This ensures you're looking at messages and conversations rather than calendar or contacts. Once you're in Mail, choose the folder that holds the conversation you want to review. You can use either your inbox or sent items. The feature works the same in both. For the clearest demonstration, pick a thread that you know includes 2 or more attachments shared across different replies. Select the conversation to open it in the reading pane. In Conversation View, Outlook groups related messages together so you can review the full exchange in one place. At the top of the reading pane, look for the Attachments area. When a thread contains multiple files, Outlook highlights them in a single, consolidated strip. You'll see file names and icons that indicate their types, like documents, spreadsheets, images, or PDFs. This consolidated view makes it easy to confirm everything that's been shared without opening each individual email in the chain. If you need to understand where a specific file came from, scroll within the conversation and expand the individual messages. Each attachment sits with the message that originally carried it, allowing you to trace context, timestamps, and who sent what. This is especially helpful when a file has been updated or replaced later in the thread. Preview is available for many common file types directly from the reading pane, so you can quickly check a document before deciding whether to save it. If a preview isn't supported, you'll still see the file listed in the same consolidated area, ready for you to access. Remember to open files only from trusted senders and be mindful of any alerts Outlook provides for potentially unsafe content. If you don't immediately see multiple attachments, make sure you've selected the right folder and conversation and confirm that Conversation View is enabled. You can also search your mailbox and apply the Has Attachments filter to quickly surface threads that include files. On the web, the attachment strip appears near the top of the reading pane. In the desktop app, you'll find it in the message header area when a conversation is selected. That's all there is to it. By opening the conversation from your inbox or sent items and using the consolidated attachment strip, you can review every file shared across the email chain in one organized place, saving time and reducing the need to hunt through individual messages.